Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear the Microsoft Teams cache step by step. Now this helps fix the issues like Teams not opening, lag or sign-in problems or messages not loading. So first of all, you need to completely close your Microsoft Teams application. Make sure that it is not running in the background. Then you need to just long press on its icon, then tap on the option of app info. Once you are here inside the app info, simply just look for the option of storage. In the storage, you will see the option of clear cache. So simply press clear cache option and you will be able to clear the cache of your Microsoft Teams application. If you want to do it in your Teams application on your computer, you just have to simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Then when you see a pop-up in front of you, you just have to look for the option of cache locations, and then you can look for the option of Teams. So you just have to delete the data from there. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.